Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download Adobe Photoshop. So for downloading it, open Microsoft Store and then search here Adobe Photoshop. So here you can see Adobe Photoshop is showing. Now click on it. Now click on install and it will take a few seconds according to your internet speed. So here you can see it is installing. If any pop-up shows, click on yes. So this will install Adobe Creative Cloud, from where you can access Adobe Photoshop. I will show you how can you do this. So here you can see Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop is launched. Now it is initializing. So here you can see Adobe Creative Cloud Desktop is launched. Now scroll down. So here you can see a pop-up is showing. Cancel this. And now scroll down. Now click on this Photoshop. So here you can see Photoshop is launching. So here you can see Photoshop is launched. Now from here you can use Photoshop absolutely for free. So this is the way to use Photoshop for free. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.